செஞ்சிக்கோட்டையில் வந்தே மாதரம் 150வது ஆண்டு கொண்டாட்டமாக பாஜக ஏற்பாட்டில் பள்ளி கல்லூரி மாணவர்கள் தேசிய கொடியை கையில் ஏந்தி வந்தே மாதரம் பாடலை பாடிக் கொண்டாட்டம். வந்தே மாதரம் பாடல் இயற்றப்பட்டு 150வது ஆண்டையொட்டி இந்தியா முழுவதும் பல்வேறு பகுதிகளில் வந்தே மாதரம் பாடல் கொண்டாட்டம் நடைபெற்று வருகிறது. அதன் ஒரு பகுதியாக விழுப்புரம் மாவட்டம் செஞ்சிக்கோட்டையில் பாஜக சார்பில் வந்தே மாதரம் கொண்டாட்டம் நிகழ்ச்சி நடைபெற்றது. இதில் பள்ளி கல்லூரி மாணவர்கள் மற்றும் பொதுமக்கள் உள்ளிட்ட 300க்கும் மேற்பட்டோர் பங்கேற்று கையில் தேசிய கொடியை ஏந்தி வந்தே மாதரம் பாடலை பாடி கொண்டாடினர். விழுப்புரம் வடக்கு மாவட்ட பாஜக தலைவர் விநாயகம் தலைமையிலும் செஞ்சி தொகுதி அமைப்பாளர் VPN கோபிநாத் முன்னிலையிலும் நடைபெற்ற இந்நிகழ்ச்சியில் சிறப்பு அழைப்பாளராக தமிழக பாஜக கட்சியின் மாநில இணை பொறுப்பாளர் சுதாகர் ரெட்டி, மாநில துணைத் தலைவர் AG சம்பத், தமிழக பாஜக கட்சியின் மாநில செயலாளர் முரளி என்கின்ற ரகுராமன் உள்ளிட்டோர் பங்கேற்று வந்தே மாதரம் பாடலை பாடி கொண்டாடினர். மேலும் தேசிய மண்டல மாநில மாவட்ட தலைவர்கள் பொறுப்பாளர்கள் கலந்து கொண்டு சிறப்பித்தனர்.
In this distinguished gathering, I would like to commemorate all along with you this 150th annual. Let us go to our motherland, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Then whose melody is like superpower. Because I am saluting our brave soldiers. Today we are celebrating 150th year of Vande Mataram song. Entire country, now inauguration by Honorable Prime Minister in Delhi. This program is commencing across the country. Kashmir to Kanyakumari, whole states, whole districts, mandals, every village, every household. With the spirit of Vande Mataram, patriotic spirit, the song founded by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, later Rabindranath Tagore ji sang the song, Bipin Pal ji, today is birthday, and also it has been translated by Arvind Ghosh ji, later he became Arvind Yogi ji. These are the persons to remember. After that, every citizen, every freedom fighter, it is like national Atma. It is an Antaratma like to Bharat, Indian Antaratma like song becomes everywhere in this freedom movement against British colonial rule. From this Siddha Bhumi, Punya Bhumi of this Tamil Nadu, so many people, so many stalwarts, warriors like Kodika Kumaranji and also Chidambaram Pillayarji, so many, and Vel Nachiyarji, like that several personalities fought against this British government. And this Senji fort, also historical fort, here also this is the base fort. They utilized war against the British armed forces, and we are proud. Today we are celebrating 150th year. The coming generation, the present generation, the youth generation should inculcate one nation, one flag, one constitution of Ambedkar ji. We have to adopt it. And irrespective of politics, irrespective of caste, religion, anything, south, north, east, west, every citizen of India should feel proud of this national song, this Vande Mataram. That is the reason we are celebrating everywhere in 8 places, very important places. We are today in a massive manner we are celebrating. And across the Tamil Nadu, all district headquarters, mandals, villages, polling booth level also, in coming days, from today onward, 26th of November, which is the Constitution Formation Day, Constitution Day, we are celebrating. Up to that, and a year long, we are celebrating this with the spirit of Sardar Patel ji, Subhash Chandra Bose ji, Syam Prasad Mukherjee ji, Deen Dayal ji, several personalities. Mahatma Gandhi ji has led this non-violence movement, the salt satyagraha like that. Several instances in Bengal movement against Britishers. It has been happened, and I am appealing through this occasion. I don't want to politicalize, but SIR also is very important, and special intensive revision is the constitutional obligation. But unfortunately, some parties are making a political thing. This is not good. With the national spirit like Vande Mataram, this also citizens' right, voting right is every right. But bogus votes and diseased votes must be weeded out wherever it is. But unnecessarily, some people, some leaders, some parties are creating a political narrative out of this. That is not correct. I am appealing all Tamil Makkal to participate in this SIR also. And also thirdly, Mahatma Gandhi said full freedom, then it comes when a lady and Mahila will go midnight 12 o'clock with their belongings and gold and other things. Unfortunately, several incidents are occurring against women and girls. It is most unfortunate. The Chief Minister and others should take up the situation. It is a sacred program, national program. I don't want to comment further, but with a national spirit, with a democratic spirit, with a Vande Mataram spirit, we should. Elections time, anybody can speak any manifesto or anything to win over the Illam Selvam, Ullam Ellam, like to win over the hearts of people. That is their thing. But after election, that is their duty. The government should rule it is for Tamil Nadu people, not for one particular party or anybody. That is the reason. But Prime Minister with Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is carrying everybody towards Vikasit Bharat, towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. With that spirit, Vande Mataram spirit, with the patriotism, I am saluting all freedom fighters from this land and also our armed forces, Air Force, Naval Force, who stood like a rock and given befitting reply to our enemy countries who are they are promoting the terrorism. All terrorist camps have been weed out in Pakistan land. Our bravery, army and others are also under the leadership of guidance of Prime Minister. Operation Sindoor also, ever remember thing, our mighty military force. Worldwide there is a lot of appreciation. With this spirit, I am concluding this and I am appealing one and all Tamil Makkal to celebrate Vande Mataram like Pongal festival, like Christmas, like Ramjan, everything. They are like any religion. It is above religion, above caste, above north, south, above west and east. It is a nationalistic spirit. With the national spirit, I am appealing everybody to celebrate 150th year in a befitting manner.
Thank you, sir.